Hello everyone, in this video, I will show you how to transfer from MetaMask to Phantom Wallet. First, go to Chrome Web Store and search for Phantom extension. On the top of the browser, click on Phantom extension. In the drop-down window, click on the three bars icon. Click on the plus icon and select Import Secret Recovery Phrase. Import an existing wallet from your 12 or 24-word secret recovery phrase. On a new tab, search for MetaMask and open the MetaMask website. To add it to Chrome, click on the Install MetaMask to Chrome button. The extension will be added to Chrome. Click on the extension icon and select MetaMask. The extension will be added to address bar and click on it. Enter the password and hit the Unlock button. Turn on the I agree button and then create a new wallet. Enter your secret recovery phrase code. Now click on the Phantom extension. In the drop-down window, click on the Receive button. Select the MetaMask wallet and then you can start transferring. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribe to the channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.